this will answer technical as well. This is a Gen 2 though one. This is like a 7-year-old one at this point.
Yeah, they are.
So I mean, I will say for like kind of like throwaway gun prices, these are pretty good.
Oh yeah, they're great.
For the, but I mean, the Krytechs are coming out with some good ones in the $200 range, and I'm like, so for like 50 to 100 bucks more, you could get a like a Krytech that's guaranteed gonna last you 5 to 10 years.
I know our turret.
I'd rather just buy that.
Coming out. Our turret, they have some EDWs coming out for like 250. And I think
I'd say right now that's kind of the ideal sweet spot is about 250.